Look how just sparkly and divine this breathtaking crown is. It is a crown, it goes all the way around, it is not connected. So there is a gap in the end, and it has these beautiful handy loops through which you can put bobby pins to secure the crown properly into your updo, hairdo. It's one of my favorite designs. It's just so majestic and regal, and it will truly elevate your bridal gown, helping you feel like a queen that you are. Sending you so much love. I hope you love it too. Let me know if this is something you'd wear on your big day. If so, we'll make all kinds of gorgeous design in our beautiful studio here in Australia, and we ship worldwide. We currently have a promotion offering free gift boxes. So let us know if you'd love one of these for your big day. We'll be thrilled to assist you. Have a beautiful day.